Hey guys, today we're going to go over and make some coasters, and we're going to do the classic bloom. Okay, I wanted to simplify it, to like dumb it down. Okay, I will be using the same resin that I always use, which is my craft resin, epoxy resin, crystal clear. I've always used this. I absolutely love it. I'm completely confident with it. It is 2-part, so it's 1.1 ratio. I have mixed up 2 separate cups because I didn't want it to flash cure or anything mess it up. So I've mixed up 2 cups this time around. See, I've got both. I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes to get to the consistency that we want it to get to make our blooms. Okay? Okay, now for my blooms, I'm going to add in some of the Let's Resin Ocean White. Okay, I'm just going to put a smidgen. Just going to put a little teeny bit. Because it's such a strong, powerful thing, I'm just going to put a drop in there. Okay, and then I'm going to mix it in. Get it all mixed in. Okay. Yes, it's so strong and so powerful, it's easy to use just a little teeny bit. And then this is what I will be adding to my piping bag. Okay, to pipe in the ribbons to make the blooms. Okay. See the white? Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to pour my clear resin in. We don't want to fill it up, but yet we don't want to not have enough as well. We need room for our alcohol inks. Okay. Okay, looks good. Okay, we're just going to go for some random colors. We're going to put some red in the middle. Let it spread. I'm going to use some coffee. For some reason, I'm really liking this coffee color. We're just going to go around them. Okay. We're going to use some yellow. Okay. Going to let that one do its thing. And then this one up here, we're going to use some Cillian red. Okay. We're going to put some blue. And then I'm going to put standard red. Okay. And then down here on this one, it's not really filling in everywhere, so I think we're going to put some blue in it. It's not spreading quite enough. Just let it spread. And up top seems kind of plain, so we're going to add some yellow. Yellow seems to get everything to move around for some unknown reason. See how it spreads it out? Okay. Okay, then I'm going to use my toothpick and I'm going to move the colors around. I'm not going to touch my mold. I'm just going to move the colors around. Okay. I'm going to wipe off my stick. Do this one as well. Just drag some of my colors around. But don't touch your mold because you don't want to scratch your mold. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go with our piping bag and we're going to put some of this stuff in. Okay. Okay, and with this one we're going to do something different. And in the center, maybe this one will add a little bit more because we still have more white. Put some in the center. We still have some, so we're going to go back. We're going to put some flower shapes in it. Put some more in our center. And that's it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to pinch our stuff in. Okay, and we're going to wipe off our stick each time. Let it drip off. It's at a sticky time here. See, we're just dragging our colors in. Don't touch your mold inside. What do you think? Looking pretty good. And then in the center, we're just going to drag our colors around. Okay. Okay, now this one up here, we're going to drag into the center. This one's a lot more colorful. I like it. See how fun and relaxing this is? This is like therapeutic. Just let it drip off. Wipe off your stick. You know, this one we're going to get a little bit more crazy. We're going to like drag our colors out. Make our flowers, okay? And if any of our resin goes on the outside of our mold, we can just pick that off when it's dry. So don't worry about it. And then we'll do our center. Might even drag some of the colors out here. Out here. See, I play with my designs. This one's a little, there we go. Maybe even pull some of this out here. What do you think? Down here, should we pull some of them out? Give them little tips. Because what seems to happen when I'm designing is I somehow make it too formal, like completely perfect. See how it is? You want it a little bit more, or a little bit less perfect for a bloom. And we'll come back later and I'll put some black mica powder on the backs. What do we think? Looking good? I think it looks pretty good. Okay. We'll be back probably in about 3 hours, and then we'll put some mica powder on the back to give them some wow. See you soon. Okay, so we're back, and I want to back them. So I have just taken some standard black mica, added to some fresh resin, and I'm going to back them. I think I'm also going to put in some of the rainbow Marabu ink, alcohol ink, because it's my favorite thing. Okay, so let's put some of that in. I'm going to put in some drops, and then it'll have some sparkle. I think that ought to be good. And we'll mix that in real good. See the sparkle? I love that sparkle. Okay. Make sure it's good and mixed. Then we're going to back the coasters. Okay. So let's just pour it on. Let it spread. Make sure it fully covers. I think it's looking pretty good. Okay, now we'll be back for the demold. Okay, and we're back. We are back. We let it cure overnight. We made our blooms yesterday. Tried to simple it down for you. It seemed to work out perfectly. And now the most exciting part, we're going to demold. Are you ready for this? Let's see if they turned out. Okay. Okay. Wow. I think they turned out. See, you know what we learned? We learned that in order to make a successful bloom, it has to do with the resin. It has to do with waiting the amount of time for the resin to thicken and then adding our colors in and making our designs. That turned out amazing. What do you think? I know you can do this. Okay, let's go on to our other one. Okay, we made two. Hopefully we made them both good. Let's find out. You ready? Let's look. Wow. Yeah, I think we did pretty good. Yep. Very nice. Remember to subscribe. Remember to follow me for any instructions on any new techniques. If there's anything that you're looking for help with, just message me. Leave me a comment. Thank you everyone for supporting me. Thank you for buying me a coffee. I am having so much fun with this channel. I hope you're enjoying it as well. Until next time.